ClickBank is another good affiliate program for digital products. There are numerous online opportunities available to marketers, and ClickBank is another good affiliate program for digital products. If you're just starting out with affiliate marketing and don't know what ClickBank is, it's about time to check out this site. ClickBank is a popular online retail outlet that acts as a middleman between the web merchant and affiliate marketers. It was founded in 1998 and has paid more than 100,000 active affiliate marketers since. Here are some things to love about ClickBank. 1. A wide selection of products to promote. ClickBank has more than 50,000 digital products. Choosing a product in a particular niche that you're familiar with and starting on a new campaign is easy to do. 2. Huge commissions. As an affiliate, you would enjoy high commission percentages between 50% and 75% for every sale. It's definitely worth your time to build a marketing campaign around a digital product. How can a web merchant afford to give out such high commission? The simple answer is they have a very low overhead in selling a digital product through ClickBank. Unlike physical products, a web merchant does not have inventory and shipping costs to consider. A buyer of a digital product can simply click your affiliate link and download the product from the merchant's website. 3. Encrypted affiliate link. ClickBank has a secure system in place that encrypts your affiliate link or hop link to make sure that each sale is correctly recorded to your account. A hop link is a referral tracking URL that is connected to your ClickBank nickname and the digital product you've chosen to promote. ClickBank is an ideal place to start your home-based business. To become an affiliate, you'll simply need to visit the site and create a free account.